Bustos Dam in Bulacan has started releasing water. Ray Pelayo will tell us why.
Water reserve in Bulacan's Bustos Dam has reached its spilling level. Thus, Governor Wilhelmino C. Alvarado says they need to release water to avoid overflow. Since the opening of dam's main gate, it already released 140 cubic meters of water. The governor says they have alerted the areas that serve as catch basin of the water from Bustos Dam.
Ang minamatsyaga natin ngayon ay yung heavy rain sa San Jose del Monte na ang bagsak ng tubig dito ay sa Santa Maria, Bukawi, Marilao, May Kawayan. Nagkaroon ng konting pagbaka dito sa harapan ng SM sa Marilao pero passable naman.
Meanwhile, Angat and Ipo Dam had stopped releasing water this morning, days after it began the releasing operation in December 20. Emergency workers have already been deployed in flood-prone areas to assist families that would be affected and bring them to evacuation centers when necessary. Ray Pelayo, UNTV News and Rescue, Philippines.